The PCV valve is an important component in the engine of a vehicle. The primary function of the PCV valve is to redirect unwanted and harmful gases from the crankcase to the engine intake manifold. It opens and closes due to vacuum pressure created in the crankcase. The PCV valve is usually attached to the valve cover near the air intake. If you are looking at the crankcase, the valve is attached to a rubber tube that connects to the intake manifold. Symptoms of bad PCV valve. 1. Check engine light. One of the most common symptoms of a bad PCV valve is the check engine light on your dashboard. When the engine light shows up, there is a trouble code stored in the engine control module. Trouble codes could be P0171, P0174, P0172, P0175, P0507, or P1105. 2. Poor fuel efficiency. When the PCV valve fails, it can cause an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture within the engine. This can result in decreased fuel efficiency, causing your vehicle to consume more fuel than usual. 3. Rough idle. A faulty PCV valve can cause a rough or unstable idle when your vehicle is stationary. You may notice the engine vibrating or shaking when idling. This rough idle can be felt through the steering wheel and the cabin. 4. Smoke from exhaust. If the PCV valve or the hoses to it are blocked, the high pressure in the crankcase will push engine oil into the combustion chambers, where the oil will be burned and go out through the exhaust pipe. Burning oil will cause a lot of blue smoke from your vehicle's tailpipe. 5. Misfires. A bad PCV valve may also lead to engine misfiring. This kind of situation usually happens when the vehicle is idle in most cases. If you have a too lean mixture, the cylinders won't fire up correctly, which can cause misfires. 6. Increased emissions. A bad PCV valve can disrupt the engine's emission control system, leading to higher emissions. This can result in higher emissions of pollutants. Increased emissions can lead to your vehicle failing emissions tests. 7. Engine sludge. Inadequate ventilation of the crankcase due to a malfunctioning PCV valve can lead to contaminants build up in the oil. This can result in the formation of engine sludge. This can adversely affect engine lubrication and lead to premature wear and damage. 8. Stalling or surging. Irregular air and fuel mixture caused by a bad PCV valve can lead to engine stalling, especially at idle. You may also experience surges in engine speed while driving, which can make the vehicle feel unstable. 9. Noisy engine. Air or vacuum leaks caused by a malfunctioning PCV valve can produce unusual noises. You might hear hissing, whistling, or other sounds coming from the engine compartment, indicating a problem with the PCV system. 10. Increased oil consumption. The PCV valve helps maintain proper crankcase ventilation, preventing excess pressure buildup. When the PCV valve is stuck open, it may not ventilate the crankcase properly. This can lead to a vacuum effect that draws oil from the crankcase into the combustion chamber. As a result, you might find yourself adding oil more frequently than usual.